Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. This video is version 2 of wiper roller assembly replacement. To replace the wiper assembly, you need to remove the service station. You can reference our video on service station replacement for that. Lift up the assembly wiper module. Unlatch both latches from the assembly wiper module. Remove the old wiper roller microfiber. Place a new wiper roller microfiber and ensure it is properly assembled. Secure the wiper roller with 2 latches. Assemble the assembly wiper module to the MM. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.